Hi guys, this is episode 2. It's not what I had in mind. Just hold the microphone next to it for a few seconds so you can hear it. Now he's going to be very pleased with this. Right, just put the microphone back on my glasses. Yeah, this is not what I had in mind, but I'm showing it anyway. What I wanted was 2 rotors that interacted. But I set this up this morning. I've reprinted the support so it doesn't rock around so much. It's a little bit thicker at the bottom. I also made it thinner where the bearing surfaces are. So there's less friction. The rotor, I turn the magnets round. Oh, not in focus. Turn the magnets round so they're facing the right way now. So they're north-south, pointing that way and that way, which is what they should be. I had them on their end, which was no good at all. And as you can see, it is working like a pulse motor, which is not what I wanted. I wanted it to swing backwards and forwards and interact with the one on the next level up. So that swings backwards and forwards. And I was hoping they would get out of sequence and be chaotic. But that is just spinning. I haven't tried putting that one above it yet. I suppose I could do that, but I think it will go horribly wrong. We'll give it a go. So if you didn't see the previous episode, in the base here, there's an electromagnet and a transistor, and as the magnet on there goes past, it triggers the electromagnet to give it a kick to push it away. You need to give it a bit of a spin to get it going. Right, and the idea was that this one would go above it. Let's just stop that for now. All right, so if we give this one a kick, yeah, that's what I wanted. I wanted interaction like that. But I think they need a bit more weight to have the momentum to keep them going rather than stopping each other like that. Yeah, because that one's not hanging down. You see the beginning of the chaotic motion there. That's the sort of thing I wanted. But I think I need more mass. They need to be heavier because they just push each other out the way and stop. So you get the idea of where we were trying to go. We're not there yet.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.